KDE finally announced the Plasma 5.24 beta that brings in exciting new features, improvements, and changes. Hey guys, KSK Ryle here. In this video, I'm going to talk everything about this brand new update to the Plasma desktop. So watch this video until the end. Let's get started. Alright, so as you can see, this is Kubuntu 22.04 testing build, which is running on my main machine that comes with the latest Plasma 5.24. The moment you log into the all-new Plasma desktop, this is the default wallpaper you would see, which looks fantastic. The contextual menu on the home screen has a new option called Configure Display Settings. Now this setting takes you to the display configuration. Now from here, you can configure the screen resolution, orientation, adjust the size of the screen by modifying the scaling parameter, and more. With Plasma 5.24, you can move the toolbar or panel anywhere you want on the screen. It's now very easy to move because of the label. Right-click on the panel, then choose Edit Mode. Now you can see the new label, Drag to Move, intimating the user this panel can be moved across or placed anywhere. Now you can snap the panel to the top, left or right, or bottom, just like that. Now, one of the biggest features of Plasma 5.24 is the all-new Overview effect, which has a blurred background by default, lets you control your virtual desktops or workspaces, and find a search results from KRunner all in one place. You can use a keyboard shortcut, Meta plus W, also known as the super key or the window key or the command on the Mac keyboard. Now check this out, the brand new workspace overview effect you get to see in all new Plasma desktop. Now what's new over here is the top panel, which shows the thumbnails for the virtual desktops. Now this is one of the good looking overview effects to see all your virtual desktops. You can add a virtual desktop by pressing the plus button. You can also delete the workspace by hovering on it and tapping on the trash icon. Now this looks similar to Mac OS or GNOME desktop. Below that, you can see a search bar powered by KRunner, which allows you to search for anything, which includes a files, settings, applications, opening existing windows, and more. Now, just like Mac OS, you can move any window from one workspace to another workspace with drag and drop support. Now, unfortunately, you cannot rearrange these virtual desktops, or any kind of modification is not possible. Now, let's say I want the last virtual desktop to be placed at first. I cannot do it. I encourage the Plasma developers to add these features down the road in the future that indeed takes the workspace overview experience to the next level. Now with this update, the default Breeze theme has received a minor upgrade. The Breeze color scheme has been renamed as Breeze Classic to better differentiate it from the Breeze Light and Dark color schemes. The Breeze High Contrast color scheme has been deleted, as it actually offered a lower contrast than the very similar looking Breeze Dark. The folders now respect your accent color or the color scheme selection. The focus effect for buttons, text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons has been enlarged into a focus ring that should be much easier to visually distinguish at a glance. Now inside the Dolphin File Manager, when you right click on any picture or an image, you can see a new Set Wallpaper option. Now this allows you to set any wallpaper downloaded from the internet. With Plasma 5.24, the search field language of the settings application is set to English. Now, even though your system language is not English, the search field will find results for an English keyword. Also, the speaker test page on the audio selection has a better look. The About page gets a new option to show more information. Now this links to the built-in Help Center application to find detailed information about the hardware. The Discovery application is now dynamic and adaptive. It now switches its home page to a two-column view when the window is very wide, and a tab bar at the bottom turns into a narrow or mobile mode. So when you resize the window, it dynamically changes the behavior of the UI. Now as you can see, this is the brand new mobile layout with a tab bar at the bottom. I feel like I'm running a Plasma application on a mobile device. The Discover has become smarter. When you search for an application that is not found, shows an option at the bottom to search about it on the web. And when you click on it, it searches in DuckDuckGo via your default web browser. Now, other features or changes include NVIDIA users may get a major performance boost thanks to the optimized Qt-based effects. The entire user experience, the system effects are buttery smooth. Now, along with that, they have fixed a multi-monitor issue, keying improvements, fingerprint support. Now, the critical notifications have a vertical orange stripe on the side to visually distinguish them from the background. Plasma Password Manager has a modernized look, Valence improvements, and more. And that's pretty much it. These are the brand new features of Plasma 5.24, and the release date is scheduled for February 8th, 2022. And you may see most of the top Linux distributions will use the latest version of Plasma Desktop in the upcoming months. So what do you guys think about it? So let me know your opinion in the comment section down below. So also, if in case you like this video, hit the thumbs up button down there. So if you haven't yet subscribed, subscribe now and turn on the bell icon to receive the post notifications whenever I upload a brand new video. Thanks for watching this video. This has been KSK Ryle signing off.